This is the standard halogen bulb versus the LED bulb. Unfortunately, the LED headlights have a check headlamp message indicating that the headlight is burned out. This happens because the LED headlight has less resistance than a halogen bulb. Decoders are supposed to fix this problem, but they didn't work for me. I bought the new fahren terminator LED headlights for the low beams. They're H11. Now the box comes with some gloves and the instructions in the bag, as well as the LED bulbs. What's important about this is that it has a fan intake on the side and exhaust also on the side. The setup we have here is going to be a dust cover that it butts up into, so you really need the fan to come out the side. Also, you're not supposed to touch the LEDs, which are these yellow squares. The bulbs are held in place by these 3 tabs. One of the tabs is larger, so it only goes in a certain way. These bulbs are 800% brighter than normal halogen bulbs and also last either 60,000 hours or 50,000 hours, depending on if you look at the website or the box. 50,000 hours is about 5.7 years of being continuously on. There's an access panel in the wheel well to get to the light bulbs. You can see there's a screw here. It's a number 2 Phillips head. I have a ratcheting stubby screwdriver that works really well for this case. You could just get in here with a stubby screwdriver. You can also get a right angle ratcheting screwdriver if you want more room. This cover lifts out. It's got a little slot that fits in the opening. Now inside here is a cover that covers the LED light bulb. And this is the light bulb here. You just twist to remove it. This connector has 2 arms on either side that fit over some tabs on the headlight. Here's a tab on the headlight on either side. These fit together like this. Here's the LED headlight. Now you have to put this light bulb back in this hole here and twist to turn and lock it in place. You can see it works. Just to test it before we put it in place. It's snapped into place now, and we just want to make sure the electrical wires are within this outer diameter and slip the cover back on. And then place this cover back in place by feeding in the bottom slot and then doing the screw. You can see we still get a check headlamp message, so we'll have to contact the manufacturer and get a resistor or something to put in line with them. Here are the decoders they sent me to get rid of our check headlamp message that we get. They didn't eliminate the check headlamp message. The headlight can't be installed all the way with the decoder attached because it runs into the cylinder that goes around the headlight. Here's the headlight installed by itself. It fits within the cylinder.